Abahlanguli bawufumene umzimba kaSiboniso Ntshangase oneminyaka elishumi elinesixhenxe notshone kwidama laseBivana eDumbe kwingingqi yasePaulpietersburg KwaZulu Natal. Iingxelo zithi uNtshangase kunye nabahlobo bakhe baye baziphosa kwelidama ngethuba bebaleka amapolisa ngenxa yokuba bebedlala ibhola ngethuba lesigaba sesine sokumiswa kwentshukumo.
Bese kuphele izinsuku eziyisikhombisa kufunwa isidumbu, kodwa umndeni wakwaNtshangase nomphakathi obukhathazekile wasebhadeni eDumbe usuthole ukududuzeka. Bebengafuni ukusuka eduzane nedamu, balala lapha etendeni ngenkathi kufunwa isidumbu sikaSiboniso. Konke lokhu kuqalwe ngomdlalo othandwa abafana bangaphezulu kuka-20 ababedlala ibhola lezinyawo. Kodwa imidlalo eminingi ibingavunyeliwe ukudlalwa ngaphansi kwemithetho ye-lockdown. Kuthiwa amapolisa afika lapha ezama ukubahlakaza. Amalungu omphakathi kanye nabanye ababekhona bathi kwaqhuma isibhamu. Abafana babaleka bezisindisa.
Imibuzo engaphenduleki webhodi miningi. Ukugijinyiswa kwezingane zidlala kuze kuqhume ibhamu zize yithathwe ziyogijinyiswa ziyongena emfuleni, ukungabikelwa komndeni kuze kube namhlanje thina sesifana nezitha nje namapolisa.
Abafana abayisishiyagalombili baboshwa, babuye badedelwa ngomsombuluko.
The Canine and Search and Rescue Unit proceeded to the southern side of the riverbank, approximately 1.5 kilometers from where the child allegedly drowned. All disciplines were mobilized to attend the crime scene. The body was identified by the family and was taken by members of the forensic department for further investigation.
Amapolisa awaphawulanga ngezinsolo ezibhekiswe ngakuwo zokuthi kwadutshulwa kubhekiswe kubafana. Lo Ndegedebe, SABC News, eThekwini.